Hello everyone, this is Megan Wendt on the admin team here at West Coast Word Church. We are so excited to have you on board for our children's ministry. Today I'm going to give you a tutorial going through Church Center and Planning Center. Church Center is the front face of our operations. This is the app you're going to use to register for events, check on your schedule for when you're volunteering, and communicate with your groups. For the intents and purposes of scheduling for childcare, you're going to use this app to accept or deny, as well as flow into our services tab that lets you know who is on your team and shares files for you to access for your curriculum. If you have not downloaded the Church Center app, go ahead and pull out your phone now. In your app store, type in Church Center and you're going to find the app by seeing this church logo of a blue and green building. Once you have that downloaded, find West Coast Word Church, make an account with us, and it's going to bring you to a landing page that looks like this. You're going to see all of West Coast Word Church's information up top here. When you're using this in general for church, you're mostly just going to use the Events tab and your Profile tab. For your scheduled services, you're really only going to look at the schedule section in your profile. So you're able to upload a profile picture, and right here you're going to see all of your upcoming scheduled dates. An important key here is to either subscribe, do this drop down subscribe for emails, or you can go through the Actions tab and add a block out, which is essentially requesting time off. So let's say you have a vacation scheduled. You can make sure you use that block out date to prevent being scheduled. And then you can also email your team leader this way. So as you can see here, I was scheduled for this upcoming Sunday for Super Kids. So if we click into this, you'll see that I've already accepted it by that green check mark. If I had not accepted it, you would have seen an accept or deny option over here. I am on a web browser on my laptop right now. It looks a little different from your phone, but overall it looks the same. Now, if you were on your phone, it would give you a tab that flows you over to Services. Services is a tab within our overarching system. If you ever hear the term Planning Center, you don't need to worry about Planning Center. That's an admin side of things. But Services is within it. This is where we schedule people. So when you're in Church Center, you're talking with our scheduling system. So if you press into Services and have that app downloaded on your phone, it's very handy because when you open up your service, it's going to let you know who's on your team, as well as give you access to plan files. So you can see over here, if I click this, it's going to bring up my curriculum for the week so I can get to know it, study it, print it out, all that good stuff. It also has a link to our video every week here. And again, this is going to be set up a little differently on your phone, but it's a very easy flow. It'll say Files, Teams, Order, the same basic tabs here. That's as difficult as it gets, guys. Again, really all you need is to be familiar with your Church Center page, your profile page, the first thing up top. The only thing you need to pay attention to here for scheduling is right up top, making sure you accept or deny. And again, if you have any questions, please go ahead and reach out to the children's director. Thank you so much for what you're doing. Have a wonderful day.